Welcome to Realm University. My name is Michael Baldwin, and this video is to quickly show you the new Chat with Claire solution that has been developed and is available for deployment on your website. As you can see, we're currently in the portal, and in the communication section, we have the buttons for the web form, which you should have seen previously, and then we have the button for Chat to Website. This provides you with the HTML code that sits within an iframe that you would need to give to your IT team or your website designers to add to the page where you want Chat with Claire to appear. When you have installed it, this is how it will look on your page. This is just our dummy page for demoing the web form and now the chat environment. The way that you would use it as a tenant, you click here and you're asked to enter the mobile phone number that was used when signing the tenancy. So this number needs to be registered within your property management software so that we can ensure that you have bona fide tenants that are actually using the solution. That code is now winging its way to my mobile phone. So let me just wait for that to pop up and we can enter that in. 730398. And we get the personalized message coming back to the tenant's name and with a hint about what can be asked. You will have seen in the associated document a more extended conversation between a tenant and Claire, but let's just start with some quick questions. The purpose of the video is for you not just to sit and watch me try and type without making a mistake, but here's a classic example. When is my rent due? We identify what the amount is and when it's due, and then offer the option to help with anything else. Another popular one is about lease dates. And all of this information is being drawn out of your property management software so that it's current to how you've had it updated within the property management software. And really what you're seeing here is instead of the tenant ringing the office, ringing the property manager, texting, leaving messages, they're able to come into your website and get answers that are specific to themselves and their own situation. We have lots of other examples in relation to this, but the purpose here is just to see the chat in location, get started using the mobile phone and the one-time password code, and then the tenant is due to ask any questions that they wish. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.